Alright, so yesterday I went to pick up some new exhaust pipes, all 3-inch, because as you can see right there, the exhaust is completely off. So I got enough 3-inch to build a Catback, and as you can see the cat is right there. So from there on back. And not from the turbo, since I'm gonna build a 3-inch from the turbo once I upgrade it. So, and I need to replace this exhaust for the inspection, because that's not gonna go through. So I decided to just build a 3-inch exhaust since I'm gonna replace it, and I'm gonna build a 3-inch eventually. Now this is not gonna be any horsepower increase or anything like that. It's just gonna sound better for now, but then eventually when I do upgrade the whole exhaust to 3-inch, it will be a better flow, so perhaps some horsepower, but mostly for the sound though. Alright, so before we go to cutting any pieces off and adding additional, let's see what it sounds like with this stock one muffler. Because originally they had two mufflers, one back there and one right there. But the rear one's been taken off previously, so. So then we can compare that to what it sounds like with the new exhaust, without the muffler. So if I go under here, you can see that right there, that's an exhaust clamp, which is factory. So I'm gonna try to take that off, but as you can see there's a lot of rust on there, so I'll use some 556, which is basically WD-40, and try to get that off there. So wish me luck. Alright, so now I've sprayed the entire joint there with some, where is it? Some 556. So hopefully that will be enough to get those joints to loosen up. Otherwise I may have to saw it off or something, but it's gonna be okay. Alright, so I've let this soak in for a bit, so what I'm thinking is I'll unscrew the muffler and then just try to yank the whole system out of there. So, wish me luck. Alright, so I just got this muffler off, and since I'm very impatient and I'm curious to see what it sounds like, I'm gonna start it up just with the cat. So that was only 3,000 revs. Sounds pretty good though. Alright, so this exhaust pipe's a little bit too big for 2.5 inch to go on, or a little bit too small, I mean. There's about 5 millimeters difference. And this is from 2.5 inch to 3 inch. So I went and got a smaller one, which is from 2 inch to 2.5 inch. And when I put this on there, you can see the small steps right here. It fits perfectly there we go, inside that step. So if I just put some exhaust sealant on there and all in around here, and then put a clamp on there like that, that should be tight. And then you take this one and you can put it over and then force it down, because this 2.5 inch fits perfectly over the 2.25 inch. And then when you push it down even more, you got this little step right here to help you as well. So just some exhaust sealant around there, and it should be good. Then I can build my 3 inch. And I forgot to say, but of course I'm gonna cut off this 2 inch, so it'll just be 2.25 inch and then 3 inch. Alright, so I got the first pieces on there. Now it's just 3 inch, baby. Alright, so I got the basic shape, which I'm gonna use. And then obviously this is gonna hang a bit higher once it's all strapped down. But I do need an exhaust tip though. Wait a second. Oh no! Fuck. Hell yeah!
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so as you can see, I got the exhaust hung up now. So I used the original hooks, put a zip tie through it, then the rubber, whatever it's called, and then just some metal around the exhaust to hold it in place, and then I tighten it with a bolt through the metal. And then here in the front, I used the original exhaust hanger. So I just placed the exhaust in here, and then I hung it up with the zip tie through there. And I can use the bolt now to adjust if I want the exhaust to come up or go down or in any way. So I think that's gonna be solid enough, but most importantly, let me show you guys how it sounds. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. For what it is, it's pretty good. I mean, great backfires. Now, that was only 3,500 RPMs. Anyways, that's gonna do for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. Soon I'm gonna get that out on the road, and as you can see right here, got some tires to destroy. So as soon as it goes out on the street, I'll be burning rubber, baby. So yeah, stay tuned for that, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.